Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bharat, and today I'm going to give you some tips and tricks to get your in-display fingerprint scanner to work 100% accurately every time and reliably. Let's dive into it. Guys, if this is your first time here and like such videos and giveaways, click the subscribe button and hit that bell icon to get notified for all the upcoming giveaways. So I have the 6T today with me, but these tips and tricks will work with any in-display fingerprint scanner phone, and you can use this to get the accurate and fast fingerprint access to your phones. Firstly, I'm going to delete all my fingerprint data that's out there just to ensure that it's a fair process, and let's go into settings. So I've deleted all my fingerprint data, and let's set up the new fingerprints. I'm just going to add my right finger first, thumb, which is once you start doing this process, ensure you kind of use the finger completely on the fingerprint scanner, and keep your fingers in different locations every time. So don't just go and keep pressing on the same location on your finger. Instead, keep shifting your fingers. Like you see here, I'm going to keep shifting my finger so that the whole fingerprint is basically captured. I mean, it's going to capture every bit of your fingerprint. If you do this properly is when it will actually work for you. And click next here. Again, do the same thing. Keep putting it at different places, not the same place, so that it captures your whole finger. And this is when your fingerprint scanner will work fast and accurate. So I'm going to add another just to show you how it will work. I'm going to add my left thumb as well. Done. And so the setup is done. So now I'm just going to click, and you see here it's going to open up very quickly. And there's also a quick tip here. I kind of hold it this way and keep my pinky finger at the bottom of the screen so that my other two fingers kind of have this grip, and you have the thumb at the same place almost every time. But if you do this, you might not get your thumb nearby, or if you do probably this, your thumbs might not be actually on the fingerprint scanner when you are scanning it. So basically, get this grip, keep doing this more times, and you will kind of get a hang of it, and it kind of becomes a practice. So what I do is generally I kind of look at this fingerprint scanner right here, and ensure that you put your fingers right on top of that fingerprint. So I've seen most of the YouTubers that have been telling that it doesn't work. What they do is probably intentionally they kind of put their fingers like this, and this is when it doesn't work. So if you kind of go in and put your back part of the thumb, which you have not scanned at all. So every time, I mean, I've tried this more than 20 times. I'm just going to repeat this in front of you live. There's no editing going on. So it's almost 5 times now, and every single time it's going to work, because I know where exactly my thumb should go, and it's going to go there every time. Compared to the traditional capacitive fingerprint scanners, the in-display fingerprint scanner doesn't have any ridges. Like you see here, this is a Oneplus 3. I could have done it on the 5T, but it comes at the back, and it would become difficult for me to show you the speeds and also if it works or not. So I have the Oneplus 3 here. Like you see here, there's a ridge, so you can easily feel that, and most of the people, what they do is when they keep their fingers, they know where that ridge is, and that's why they feel that it's a lot faster, and also it works reliably well than a fingerprint scanner which is on the in-display. And this will also not work with the Oneplus 3, like you see here. And if I put it halfway like this, it's not gonna work. I mean, you have to put the fingers here, and then it is when it will gonna work. And also, even if you see on the Oneplus 3, if you just keep tapping like this, it's not gonna work. And also ensure that your screen stays clean and not a lot of moisture on the screen or dirt, because if you have dirt on the screen or moisture, it is not going to work. No matter any fingerprint scanner, it's not going to work. And it's not just the 6T. I've shown you in the full review. So these are the tips, guys. If you like this video, click that like button down below, and also ensure you subscribe. And this is Bharat signing off.